skip the conversation.
And I need to get a real nose ring. Oh my god, my tongue red.
Oh, okay, good.
Let me see your tongue.
So you
It's
can
red.
go on Amazon and use your app to pay.
Hello and welcome to my channel. I am just Korean, and today I just seen in the first or the montage at the beginning. We just got our nails done. Period. And they cute as hell. I'm gonna show you guys.
I would never go to another furniture store. I would buy everything on Amazon. I'm telling you.
Wait, they can't see it.
Yeah, it's cheaper. I spent all this money on this furniture. I paid almost $2,000 for my bed. They broke my bed when they was moving.
She got a heart on her nails.
And I tried to reorder the baseboard part, like the bracket and the base, because that's the part that they broke in my bed, and I got it from Furniture Row.
And now we are on the way to my eye appointment.
The bed is
I have to have a procedure, so you see an eye patch in the next clip. That is fine. But we just eating some Takis, and then we're going to have Korean BBQ after my doctor's appointment.
You can take that stuff back.
So stay tuned.
Hey. Hey. Yeah.
Dang, my eyes do look dilated. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah.
They look green in the inside.
You can see inside them.
Yeah, I can see they green. They green in your eye.
Okay.
And
Waiting on my procedure. I'm
Yeah.
low-key nervous. That's what I'm shaking.
Yeah.
Kari, sit down. Sit. Sit.
That's on. Kita in the video. Are you in the video?
My hair.
No, I just brushed your hair earlier.
Yeah, you brushed it the wrong way, so I had to redo it.
No, I brushed it the good way. I brushed it right here, right here.
Stop.
Sit down, too.
Oh, God. Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty, my name is Lucy,
Okay.
and I'm going to be putting an injection on your arm today.
Okay.
So we're looking at the circulation in the back of your eye.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to ask for...
Alright, so I'm in the eye doctor, and they just tried to take blood on me. But they couldn't get a vein. So I'm just waiting on an update. I'll keep you updated. Yes.
Okay, for her.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think they didn't put no
They did.
They did.
If she can't even gel her real nails to grow. They filed them and did like a manicure and stuff. She got a gel manicure.
Yeah.
Gel manicure and punching manicure.
Get off my hand.
My shoe's stuck.
Stop it.
You need to sit down. My My eyes are super blurry, so I don't know how this look, but I'm finna get my laser procedure. I'm low-key nervous. I've been in here shaking. It's like 2:20 right now. So I always do videos from this angle, which is not flattering. My hair won't lay down. Won't lay down, but that's just like me being natural. Cause I don't have no type of perm. Like I've never, since I cut off all my hair in 2018, I haven't had no perms in my hair, period. So I'm completely natural, and my hair will not lay down. And my hair, I feel like is at like 14 inches now. This is a bob, so. And I wanted it to be like, you feel me? But clearly I got a regular one, so. My eyes are super dilated. It's scary, but yeah. Ow, I just scratched my motherfucking lip. And my nails are so fucking cute. Ain't they cute, y'all? They look so cute. But yeah, Kari got the same design on her regular nails, but it's white. So we're matching, period. Okay, so we are leaving out of the eye appointment. Stop it. Do not grab my phone again. Well, you know I can't really see. Hold my hand. Lead me to the car. And my hair going all types of ways. You can't be doing that.
Who, me?
Yeah, turn it while you're trying to lead me to the car. Why are you standing on the seat? Oh my God. What's wrong with your child? Get your Takis.
Can we hear some music?
I should have drunk all of this.
Nasha, can we hear some music?
Yes, if you're gonna be quiet. We are on the way to get some Korean BBQ. So I'll see y'all when we get there.
Nasha, just like you.
Yeah.
She got it like this. It's so fun.
How you doing? I'm good. My name is Monson. I'm your service. Have you guys been here before? No.
No.
You been here now?
No.
We got the Szechuan broth with veggies in there. And then we're just waiting on our drink. She's ordering for the table because I don't care. Kari got chopsticks. And yeah.
And yeah.
I'm cold as usual.
Masha, I'm not cold because I was cold when we was at the doctor appointment. Oh,
Okay.
thank you. I see.
This the vegetable cookie.
Oh, okay.
See that? Tell me what you can't see.
I can see, I just can't read.
So you can see.
The letters are too tiny
You
yet.
can point to the stuff.
It's pretty.
Here's the boba.
Thank you.
Can I get you a drink right now?
Oh no, we did.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
What's this?
You can just drink it.
No, I'm gonna put some on there. Can you open it?
Sorry for boba.
Here. It goes in this one.
Oh.
Tastes good? You sure? You like it?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I can't taste the
Can I try it?
yeah.
I'm gonna try her boba.
Okay. It's gonna be here and then again.
It's good. You taste it.
I got some of the boba too. Now I'm gonna try my margarita. Hold up.
It's jelly.
Ooh, that's strong. You wanna taste it?
That's it.
No.
Yeah.
Mom, you need to taste my boba.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah. Taste it. It's kind of nasty.
You like it?
Yeah. Nasty like it.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
I want rice too.
We're gonna give you some on your plate. Don't worry.
Ooh.
So some of these can go in here and in here.
Yep. All the thinly sliced rolled up meats like these to go both in the soup and on the grill. Anything that's marinated or thicker like these, only go on the grill.
So this
Ain't
one,
it?
Yep.
that too,
Oh, I spilled
and
some
the one
wine.
is on the pie.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Can I break it?
It's good, ain't it? I don't know what she doing.
Mama cooking all the chicken, all the
I'm
meat.
cooking all the food. I can't even eat.
I know, right? I'm over here smashing.
I
It's
know,
good.
getting served like a queen.
Period. Because I am. Exactly.
Don't forget to lubricate it now.
Serve with a queen.
Okay, that's good. I'm on the grill for real. This how I be at home. Because I be doing all the grill cooking at home.
You do.
So I, Mom, you know I help you, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm still working on my drink.
That's all nothing. Mom, do we need some?
No, that's enough. Thank you.
Hold up. I'm trying to. And excuse my
You can't
eye.
come here with a lot of people. You're going to be mad.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Got some ramen and udon. Period. You need some green pepper. It's good.
And the food.
Yeah. This is good. I'm not gonna lie. I got a sausage. It's hot.
That's not spicy.
That's alright.
Yeah, switch out for it.
You wanna cover it? Just cover it down. Don't you want your same bowl?
Yeah. That's fine. You can pour it in there.
You done seasoned it up, you know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
No sense in switching out, it's gonna taste different.
Oh. Period.
Alright, mommy, here go your potatoes and your onion.
I don't want an onion.
Okay. Okay. Where you put it?
I just left from K-Pot and it was good as fuck. I'm full as hell. Oh, this is the car. And I had to go to a car because it was freezing in there. Oops. Oh! Whew. I couldn't stop shaking in there because I was so cold. And my lips burning because I had excuse me. When I said that food was bomb, it was bomb. It was so good that I was overeating. No shade. And I'm super full right now. But I had the Szechuan sauce broth. And it had peppers in it. And I put ramen. I'm breathing heavy because I'm super full. Like, I look pregnant right now. But I promise I'm not pregnant. I'm just super full. But I had the Szechuan broth with ramen and udon, bean sprouts, broccoli, green peppers, onions, sausage, shrimp. When I said the lamb in there was my favorite fucking part, that lamb was bomb. And I've never had lamb before, but that shit was good as fuck. Excuse my language, Ma, if you watching this. But I had beef, bulgogi, steak, chicken. What else I have? I think I had brisket. I don't know. I wanted brisket, but I don't know if I had it. And I think that's it. It was like chopped up ginger in there, which I ate some of it. And then we had potato, rice, and mussels. When I say I'm full as fuck, I'm full. Like, I'm embarrassingly full right now. Like, I'm so full, I really had to come to the car by myself. First of all, it was cold in there, and I kept shaking for no reason. I always do that when I'm going to restaurants. Which, I brought my jacket, and I don't know why I didn't bring it in the restaurant, but, yeah. And then I had a margarita. And, look at my tongue. And water. I had 2 waters, because that shit was spicy. But next time, I'm going to get, I'm going to try a different broth that's not so spicy. And I think that's it. But, yeah. Today was a super fun day. And now we finna take Kari to sign up for dance class because she needs something to relieve all that energy she got pent up. And I'm going to stay in the car. I'm not going in just because I'm super full and I'm probably going to fall asleep on the way there. But yeah. That's all for right now. So I'll see y'all in the next clip.